Ultimate Fact presents 15 insane houses in the world you won't believe exist. Before we begin, click that like button to inspire us. Moreover, subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to be inspired by this type of ultimate fact. Everyone has a dream to have their own house according to their imagination. Everyone loves cool or crazy ideas when it comes to home designs. However, there are some houses in the world that are so unbelievably creative that it will blow your mind. Mansion Manalapan, Florida. When it comes to mega mansions, this 33-bedroom Florida compound on a private barrier island is pretty hard to beat. The 16-acre estate is named Gemini and isn't just a mansion, it's an entire island. The property includes a 12-bedroom main house and a PGA standard golf practice area, freshwater pond, bird sanctuary, and sports complex with tennis, basketball, and mini golf. It boasts a museum-quality climate control system, top-notch security system, cell phone signal booster, and 2 elevators. This is one of the most expensive properties in the USA at $165 million. Invisible Mirror House. In the Dolomites, you're surrounded by lush green forests and mountain peaks in the distance. Peter Pickler Architecture Studio came up with the idea to unite all that natural beauty of the Alps with the latest technology. 2 adjacent vacation homes become almost invisible because their exterior is constructed entirely of mirrors, reflecting the mountains, sky, and trees as if the structures weren't even there. In keeping with the home's respect for nature, the exterior mirrored walls, which are invisible not only to humans, but also to all other creatures as well, are laminated with a UV coating to prevent bird collisions. High-tech mansion. If you're looking for a dream home, this could be it. This home is loaded with crystallite, glass, and chrome. All the bedrooms have their own full bathrooms, showers, and walk-in wardrobes. As with all multi-million-dollar homes, you will find billiard tables in some rooms, a gym loaded with LED TVs, movie theater, and much more. If you like cars, underneath the home is a giant car garage. This home can be bought for $49,995,000. Modern House Villa. This 5-bedroom, 10-bathroom modern architectural wonder is built right off the Sunset Strip in Beverly Hills, California. This home is filled with glass everywhere, inside and out. It has a zero-edge pool and a cozy cabana. For you wine lovers, the dining room is connected to a 21-foot motorized wine rack that brings treasured vintage wines right to your table at the push of a button. It also has an upscale lounge with a movie theater, a full bar right next to the pool, a gym, and a sauna. This place has it all, and for a cool $22.9 million, it can be yours. Luxury house in Limassol, Cyprus. This house was designed with 5 different levels, each with its own facilities, and has everything you can possibly imagine, including an indoor swimming pool, hydro massage, aquarium, full wet bars, a solarium, steam room, finished sauna room, snow cabin, a mud bathroom, a massage beauty room, and a gym. It also has a home cinema. There's a swimming pool and a hot tub outside with a bar, and a triple garage for all your toys. And if you have $50 million, then all of this can be yours. Bachly Construction's luxury home. This custom-built home has a hydraulic garage car lift, a movie theater, custom gymnasium, custom pool, and a custom wine cellar. It also includes a gym, media room, wet bar, a separate glass-encased wine room apart from the wine cellar, and a spa with a sauna and a steam shower. The granite pool and hot tub by Todd Pools are accented by both fire and water features. This place is also available for sale, and if you have $7 million, you too can own it. Luxury Estate Home, Greenwood Road West, Vancouver. This modern contemporary home is an 8-bedroom, 8-bath residence with large entertainment-sized formal living and dining rooms. With a built-in temperature-controlled glass wine room, the luxurious master suite has a private terrace fireplace, walk-in wardrobe, and a marble bathroom. On the lower level, a poolside billiard room with onyx wet bar, exercise gym, and private casino room. a home theater, and a resort-style spa. Outside, you have a heated swimming pool, sunken entertainment area with a fire pit. Falling Water House over Waterfall, designed by Frank Lloyd Wright. It is now a landmark architectural treasure, with the public visiting and touring, so it isn't for sale. The home is suspended atop a 30-foot waterfall. The 5,300 square foot home's walls and floors are constructed of sandstone. There's a glass hatchway in the main level's floor that opens to reveal a staircase leading down to the stream below. Even the furniture and decorations were designed by the architect. Mega House from California. This modern masterpiece has a 5,600 square foot master suite, including a spa and 12 bedroom suites with 23 baths. There's no going thirsty with 5 fully stocked bars. Entertainment comes in the form of a 2-lane bowling alley, full theater, wine cellar, and a game room. It also has a sports court pavilion, pool cabana, an infinity pool with waterfall, and a spa putting green with a 50-foot fire feature. The motor court has enough room for 70 cars and the 14-car custom garage, all priced at $100 million. Modern Villa, California. This is one of the most expensive multi-million-dollar homes in the U.S. It has 17 bedrooms and 21 bathrooms, a bowling alley, a movie theater, a billiards room with foosball tables, a giant candy dispenser with anything you want, and a wine cellar that would make any connoisseur blush. You got a helicopter? There's parking for that on the roof. This home was built for billionaires in mind, and for $250 million, you'd have to be one to afford it. Pool and Waterfall. Close to the beaches in San Diego, this multi-million-dollar home was designed by architect Rob Quigley. The home is basically built like a private resort with indoor waterfall. One of the main features of this place is its 25-foot-high ceilings. It has 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bedrooms. There's a couple of pool tables inside, and a private patio is connected to the lower level with a plumbed gas fire pit. The price of this place, $1,450,000. Remote cabin in Norway. The outer walls are constructed with materials that replicate the surrounding rocky terrain, both in color and texture. Real grass growing on the roof makes the house virtually blend into the environment. The cabin is tiny and measures just less than 400 square feet. But it can actually hold up to 21 people. Those people, however, all must be hikers or horseback riders, as the cabin is located in an area that is inaccessible to vehicles. Warehouse home. It looks like an average industrial storage facility, so you would never know that inside is someone's dream home. Once you step inside, it's a completely different story. This home features a very elegant interior with wood paneling, beautiful wood floors, and high ceilings. The stylish decor and comfortable style furniture creates a warm and cozy environment. A full bar is featured in the main room for entertaining, and the bedrooms are painted in rich, deep colors. House on Stilts. For those who like a remote, isolated lifestyle, we found a house on a small island off the coast of Norway that's only accessible by boat. It's built on stilts that hold the small house above a rocky shoreline. The house roof is staggered, and the irregular design and height difference allow for the rock surfaces to be exposed, which makes the house blend into the landscape. It's only 807 square feet. Inside, pine paneling on the walls and wooden beams continue the theme of connection to nature. Modern glass and steel dominate the design, keeping it simple so that nature is still the focal point of the home. The Lemperle Residence. It's a spectacular oceanside residence in La Jolla, California, designed by architect Jonathan Siegel. The house is positioned to face completely outward away from the street and directly onto the ocean. The generous use of glass and plenty of deck areas maximize the view of the ocean. The house is built entirely of steel, concrete, and walnut wood. So while being supremely modern, it also has the warmth of a cozy home. To top it off, an infinity pool, a fireplace along the deck's edge, and a hot tub complete the house's amenities. Which house do you like the most? Let us know in the comments section. Like always, if you enjoyed it, be sure to give us a big thumbs up. To keep up to date with all of our awesome videos, be sure to hit subscribe and turn your notifications on to never miss a thing. Until next time, do take good care of yourself.